Hi everyone, you're welcome to my channel. Okay, today I know you have seen the title, but today I want to be telling you the benefits, the three benefits of clove, the three benefits of garlic, what garlic can do for you. You can also even add clove. Okay, but the main purpose of this video is what garlic can do for you. Yes, garlic is not just for only for cooking. In an ancient time, meaning in the olden days, they use garlic for protection and to remove bad energies around your home or around you. That is what they use garlic to do. Okay, but this our time now, nobody is taking anything that is produced by God serious, especially natural thing plant serious, because everyone thinks it's only for spicing food. Garlic is not only for spicing food. Please let me introduce my name. This is Pinj Spiritual TV. Please, if this is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, please like and subscribe. As you watch this video, please subscribe to my channel. Please. Okay, so let me dive into the topic. The topic goes like this. Number one, garlic cleansing. They have cleansing energy. I hope I spoke cleansing energy. That is the number one of this my garlic discussion today. To cleanse your space, let me describe. To cleanse your space, crush a few garlic, or you put clove, or if you don't like, you don't put clove, and place them in a small bowl of water. Put it in a small bowl of water. Set near your doorway, in front of your door, inside, not outside. Put it inside, or you put it under your bed. For those that have bed that have under, or you put it beside your door, entrance of your door, inside, or you put it under your bed. Okay, overnight, it will absorb any bad thing that is in that your room, that is in that your house, especially that place, because you know when you are sleeping at night, you don't know what is going on. Place it there with that bowl of water. Place it, then all the bad energy, all the heavy thing, because you as yourself, when you have bad energy in you, you will feel weak. Every time you will be feeling tired. You will not even walk, but you will be feeling tired. That is, even though you take medicine, you are still feeling weak. You will not understand your body. That is what they call bad energy. I'll leave it overnight. Then in the morning, go and throw it away, not in your compound or maybe near. Just go away. In the morning, as you wake up around that kind 7 or 6, you wake up, you take that bowl of water and then throw it away. As you are holding that bucket, you want to go and throw it away, you start to pray. Say, as I'm throwing away this bucket of water that absorbed the bad energy in my home, so shall it be in my life. Then you throw it away and went back home. That is the number one. I hope you understand me. Then the number two is what we call personal protection. Yes, personal protection that is the second benefit of this garlic I'm going to describe today. You can also carry a clove or a garlic in your bag or your pocket. Yes, if you're always feeling bad energy, you are not, in short, you feel like something is following, or you are not always having luck, bring a garlic, put it in your bag. If you're a woman, if you're a female, if you're a male, put in your purse. Anyone, both male and female, let me not go and stress myself on calling names. You will feel, when putting it, if you're going out or you have anything to do, you'll be feeling it. You'll be feeling as if something is running away from your body. That is what garlic does if you put it inside your bag or your purse. Okay, you put it there, or you put it, either you put it in your bag, or you can rub it. Okay, if you just, for example, now, you can get this, what they call this, rosemary, this thing. You can grind a garlic and put it inside. Anytime you want to go, you just rub it in your face, rub it in your hand. Very easy. All these things, I'm doing it. Yes, ever since I joined this spiritual journey, I've been trying all sorts of everything I knew, and it's worked perfect. Yes, only what they need, God wants you, is your heart. Be a free somebody. Just be free. Don't have any bad thing for no one. Please. Okay? Don't have grudges, so that if you're performing any spirituality, as far as even though the enemies are throwing arrow at you, they can never see you. Yes, you can rub it. You can bring a little of the garlic, like one garlic, you grind it and put inside any oil, any spiritual oil. It's not ordinary oil. You make a spiritual oil, you can grind it and put it there. Anytime you want to go out, you can just rub it in your body. If it's not carried one or in your bag, you can rub it. Okay, so the number 2 is what we call garlic bath. Yes, what we call garlic bath. Yes, garlic bath for a deep cleansing. Boil like 3 or 7 garlic. Boil it with water and let it cool. After cooling, you mix it with your bathing water. You mix it with your bathing water. You can add any oil. I would advise you guys to always have rosemary oil at home, because it's that rosemary, you can almost anything you want to do, like bathing, you mostly like to put it because it's work perfectly. I will advise you to have rosemary oil in at home. Okay, after boiling these 7 or 6, you can add a rosemary oil and go and take your bath. As you are taking your bath, speak into that water. Speak your intention. You can also add clove. You can add at least 7 cloves to tie your garlic water and boil everything together and add that rosemary resin. If you don't have rosemary, it's not must that you must add it. It works perfectly. Okay, it works perfect. So make sure you pray all these things I listed before you begin on this journey. Please pray. Please pray heavily. Pray with your mind. Pray with the sadness that is in you. Pray with your intention. Pray for what you want God to do for you, that you don't want any more setback in your life. After praying in this number 3, I'm still explaining, because you cannot just drop a topic and will not explain. You have to explain your topic for your viewers to also understand what you are talking about. Okay, after praying, then release and release yourself. All the bad energy, all the negativities, we just go. Especially this number 3. Boil that garlic, because I'm recording this video on the May. Today being 1st May 2025. That is the first day I'm recording. I recommend you take this bath for 7 days. Choose the 3 I just mentioned. Take your bath for good straight 7 days that you are going to take your bath. Okay, please make sure anything you do, I will say it and I will say it again, make sure your hands are clean. Okay, I will be dropping some the item on the screen. Okay, so please make sure you pray and be a spiritual person. Not everything pastor can do for you. Okay, there. So I'll be dropping